Hello and welcome to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to view someone's email on Facebook. So let's get started the video. At first, open Facebook and log into your account. Next, use the search bar to find the person whose email you want to view. Click on their name to navigate to their profile. Once you are on their profile, go to the About section. This is where users often list their contact information. In the About section, scroll down to Contact and Basic Info. If the person has chosen to share their email, it will be listed here. Keep in mind that if the person has not made their email public, you won't be able to see it. Facebook allows users to control their privacy settings, and it's important to respect this choice. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.